Right, in this video, I want to talk about how you can develop your own effective cold call script. Having a script is an essential component for success when it comes to making these cold calls, all right? In the full Freight Broker Mastery course, we actually do provide you with your own ready-to-use script. And you can take that as is or customize it. But let's break it down. Let's break down the components of an effective script in case you want to create your own, all right? So look, start with a line. Start with a line to explain why you're calling them, all right? That's how you're going to begin it. Then prepare to face some objections, right? Maybe even write some down that you have heard, might hear, and already get some replies ready to go, all right? So be prepared to face those objections once the shipper knows you're a broker, all right? And then finish it off with your next action step. It may be a callback. You might be scheduling a time to meet with them, go over some questions about their operations to make sure it's a fit. All right, learn about them. So sticking to this general formula to for your script while customizing it to your brokerage and the specific type of shipper you're calling and targeting, right, will make a huge difference in the overall success and outcome of your cold calls, right? It's better to be prepared, and having a script doesn't mean we have to sound robotic, but it at least gives you an outline, a flow, so you aren't going out of order and not sounding professional. So if you have any questions on writing out your own script, or if you're interested in the script we offer in Freight Broker Mastery, please drop a comment below. Me and my team will be happy to help. All right, guys, more to come. And next video, I'll discuss the sales process, so you understand what you're actually taking a customer through, prospect through to turn them into a customer. See you guys on the next video. Take care.